How to perform the cat-cow pose with a twist. Firstly, move into the tabletop position or on all fours. Your hands should be parallel with the shoulders and knees parallel to the hips. Feet flat on the floor. Stage 1, the cow pose. Drop the chin as if you're trying to look at your sternum/chest. Take a big breath in through the nose, bring the belly in, lift the back up towards the ceiling. Next stage, stage 2, the cat pose. Arch your back, look up to the ceiling, exhale out of the mouth, straighten the back and add a squeeze with the shoulder blades. Bring them together and hold for a couple of seconds, then unsqueeze and repeat and go back to stage 1, cow pose. Squeezing the shoulder blades together or the scapular retraction can be used to strengthen your upper back muscles, brackets, rhomboids and mid-trapezius. Other benefits are improved posture and greater range of motion. Common mistakes. Don't have the hands too far forward or too far back. Have them parallel to the shoulders. Same again for the knees. Do not hold your breath in throughout the whole movement. Remember, cow phase, inhale, cat pose, exhale.